Higashi Osaka City. This is the Fusei shopping street that's been around since before World War II. At around 3 in the afternoon, people pulling their suitcases arrive one after another. Following behind, they go into a place with a sign that says Women's Wear Kiyoshima. What is this place?
Welcome to SEKAI Hotel.
That's right, this is a hotel. SEKAI Hotel is a hotel that's entirely a shopping street, utilizing vacant properties along the street. There are 23 guest rooms in 10 buildings across the area. From the reception desk to the rooms 200 meters away, staff cordially guide the guests. This is formerly a Japanese confectionery shop facing the main shopping street. While the old sign remains, it's been renovated. A large room featuring a shopping street view is priced at about $190 a night for 2 people. There are also small rooms that go for about $75 a night for 2.
It's a lodging facility where you can get a feel of everyday life in this neighborhood and have a simulated experience, and enjoy the shopping street as a theme park.
So when checking in, they give guests a map of the area as a hotel guide. Employees also offer a lecture on recommended spots and ways to have fun.
It's about 50 cents.
So inexpensive.
It is. It's from a meat shop, and in the early evening, locals go to shop there.
This unique hotel was opened by Koichi Yano. He runs Kujira, a company that renovates homes and shops.
With this shopping street gradually becoming desolate, we need to make this a hotel that energizes the whole neighborhood more.
The Fusei shopping street once had 780 shops, but now there's only half that number. So he decided to promote the old-fashioned atmosphere as a type of tourism content and restore the hustle and bustle of the past. For example, the hotel's highlight, a big public bathhouse, was opened in 1958. As a dinner venue, he recommends shops frequented by locals to encourage exchanges between guests and residents.
Wow! So good and sweet.
What's more, to get guests to go around the neighborhood, they introduced a system by which the hotel pays for the first drink ordered at the second shop they visit. Since being opened 7 years ago, the hotel has been in the red, which they've offset with revenue from their renovation and other businesses. But in 2025, the number of guests exceeded 10,000, and they turned a profit for a single month for the first time in August of that year.
Despite being wonderfully charming, it offers value in many other ways that isn't still widely recognized. There are many other opportunities. The charm of SEKAI Hotel is in traveling like you live, and actually that overlaps with vacation rentals. But vacation rentals are struggling due to friction with local residents. In contrast, SEKAI Hotel always has people at the front desk, giving local residents a sense of security. And it's a third type of hotel. That's like a vacation rental, but not. Many regions are against vacation rentals, but happy to have something like SEKAI Hotel. Enjoying an entire area wasn't an option for consumers until now. And since there are 47 prefectures, maybe we can open in 50 locations.